Hi everyone. In today's class, we will find the radius of the smallest circle. This problem is from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2006 in CPO examination. Let us see the problem. The area of the circle whose radius is given as 6 cm. It is trisected by two concentric circles. Find the radius of the smallest circle. That is only given. See, the radius of the circle is given as 6 cm. This circle is trisected by two concentric circles. That means this circle is divided into three equal parts by two concentric circles. That means the area of the circular path 1, I have marked that area, circular path 1 is equal to area of the circular path 2 is equal to smallest area of the smallest circle. That is the meaning of this problem. We have to find the radius of the smallest circle. To do the sum, they are given the radius of the biggest circle is 6 centimeters. I am taking the radius. Let us take the radius of the middle circle BR, capital R, radius of the smaller circle as small r. See, already I have explained. The area of the circular path 1 is equal to area of the circular path 2 is equal to area of the smallest circle. Okay. How to do this problem? No, first we have to find the area of the circular path. We have to equate these two. Okay, and find one relationship. Then we have to equate second and third. Again we have to find out some relationship. Then comparing these two, we can easily find the radius of the smallest circle. Let us start. How to find the area of the circular path? We have the general formula. Area of the circular path is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Now area of the circular path 1, let us substitute in that formula. What is capital R? 6. 6 square minus, I have taken the capital R here as radius of the middle circle. So area of the circular path 1 is equal to pi into 6 square minus capital R square. What about the area of the circular path 2? That is pi into, here middle circle radius is capital R. So R square. Smaller circle radius is small r. Okay. Now pi and pi will go off. So 36 minus capital R square is equal to capital R square minus small r square. Now 36 plus small r square is equal to 2 into capital R square when it comes to this side. So what is capital R square is 36 plus small r square by 2. Okay. Now I am comparing the area of the circular path 2 and area of the smallest circle. Okay. What is the area of the circular path 2? Pi into capital R square minus small r square. What is the area of the smallest circle? Pi into small r square. So pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square is equal to pi r square. Now pi will go off. So capital R square minus small r square is equal to r square. So capital R square is equal to 2r square. Now I am comparing these two. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So 36 plus small r square by 2 is equal to 2 into small r square. So 36 plus small r square is equal to 2 to 4 small r square. So 4 small r square minus small r square is equal to 36. So 3 into small r square is equal to 36. Small r square is equal to 36 by 3. That is 12. So small r square is equal to 12 is equal to 4 3s are 12, no? So small r is equal to 2 into square root of 3 centimeters. So radius of the smallest circle is equal to 2 into root 3 centimeters. Thank you.